Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back. Thanks for coming back from your box lunch. NBCU is a principal sponsor, and we'd like to thank the IAB for pulling together such a great event. I'm here to introduce what I would call the most important panel of the two-day conference. And I'm not just saying that because I'm introducing it. I'm saying it because it's true. To GRP or to not GRP. And one reason it's true is because right now, as we sit here, billions of dollars are being transacted with the television upfront. And I know this because I work at NBC, and I'm here to tell you there are billions of dollars being spent in a very fast, aggressive manner. What a difference a year makes. And, you know, there still is this gap between online spending and time spent online. And the question is, would currency like GRPs accelerate that spend at a point in time when billions are being spent? When I got to NBC 4 years ago, there was a real question. If we stream our shows online, will that cannibalize what's happening on air? And the question was, is this a TV or web conundrum? And 4 years later, I think the answer is it's a TV and web answer. We see that online video, for us, for full episodes and short-form video, is more of a catch-up medium. It's not a cannibalistic approach. Users gravitate towards the best screen available. So now that we've figured out that a lot of the consumption is complementary and not cannibalistic, should we have a GRP which equivalizes everything? Or should we have a form of currency that celebrates each medium for its distinct strengths? And then I guess finally, to introduce the panel, you know, if you imagine the ecosystem a handful of years from now, where everything is served through an internet protocol address, you know that everything we're doing today is actually a proxy for the future. So if that's the case, should we be looking to an old metric like gross rating points when we're trying to figure out where everything's going into the future? So those are just some of the things we think about